Good morning. Today we are talking with Alex Tkachev from Russia, but now living in Estonia. My name is Rebecca Hope from Block News, and this is an episode of Meet the Makers. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you as well, Rebecca.
Yes,
Nice
it's great
to
to have you here and to have you talking about your company, Wulet. Tell us a little bit about the history of Wulet and how you came into being.
Oh, well, we were interested in the loyalty programs of current businesses, and we've been digging this topic for a while. Main vision was built up while we were working with a company called UDS Game, a company that has now 30,000 companies that are using these products. And me frankly, believing that this company actually delivers the best solution for the loyalty program for the current businesses, which has proven that all these 30,000 companies are all across the world, 40 countries. In 40 countries they are based. So the only thing that seemed lacking for this kind of business, for my personal view and a little ago, it was the absence of exchange. So why can't a consumer having some loyalty bonus points in his wallet, let's say like this, or his app, he doesn't want to use it, or he's not loyal anymore to this company. These tokens actually they have deferred value, like from the company to the customer.
Right.
This means that they have value in common. So he should be able to exchange them into something that he wants to use right here, right now.
Right.
So this is the whole concept of the exchange, and this whole idea is now possible to make using the blockchain technology.
You know, there's a lot of bonus points that are just not being used. So if I'm on a couple of loyalty programs and I have all these bonus points, but I'm not using them. So what you're trying to create is some system where you can actually use those or exchange those for other kinds of things that you want to use immediately. I guess my question is, so if I'm on a couple of loyalty programs, how will they all be integrated in the system? How will I actually be able to use those points?
Well, we're developing our ecosystem, like our program solution, which involves different layers. Backend layer, including like blockchain, will be operating different databases and will secure the work of the exchange itself. But on the front layer, there's customer app, which also that's why we call it Wulet. This will be a very convenient app that contains all your cards in one place. So you don't have to remember all your passwords from your different, well, this is not a very original idea, but this is just a convenient thing to use. So this will be also like more useful when you will be just seeing the same set of your cards and number of total points stored into them, so you can exchange them and see which order exchange it first, so you can use the desired points that you need right here, right now. Like,
but how will that happen?
Convenient.
So, for example, if I have points on a certain website, how will that be integrated into yours? And would they have to allow permission for that?
We got to connect to the company and exchange data between their database and our, upload into else. And so within the hash that will be sent to every customer, the database will flow automatically.
So basically, you have to partner with already existing companies and get them on your system, and that's how the user will be able to use the bonus
there's
points.
no other way.
Okay.
There's no other way.
So when you partner with companies, what kind of companies are you looking at partnering with, and what kind of discussions are you already having?
Well, right now we have two types of conversation. One is, suppose the company already has a loyalty program. In this case, we will integrate with their existing program solution. The other is that we provide our own loyalty program to the companies. So this makes it like easier.
So they just opt in.
Yeah. So they're already in our system, and the practice shows that actually these kind of companies are quite easy, open-minded.
Yes.
So they are willingly participating.
Fantastic. And so what kind of partnerships, what kind of companies are you looking at connecting with?
Well, actually, any company that has an existing loyalty program or just willing to make it one. So the market is really huge.
Have you targeted any in particular?
Yeah, sure. We have already partnered with Tony and Guy. We have partnered with GoPro We have partnered with Kia, a motor company.
That's fantastic. And tell us about your ICO and your token sale.
We are in the pre-sale stage right now. We're finishing in the fourth quarter of 2018. Our soft cap is 8,000 Ethereum, and the hard cap is 49,000 Ethereum.
And how's it going so far?
This is going pretty good because this gave us the opportunity to develop an MVP in our project, and we are now in the phase of testing it on our existing partners.
So where would you allocate most of the funds to?
The most funds, as I see it, and we have carefully established it with our technical crew, will go to program solutions that will be able to integrate existing companies into our blockchain ecosystem, into Wulet ecosystem.
So that would require some development.
Yes.
Right.
It's pretty diverse. We do not rely on marketing because the best marketers for our products will be customers. Because as our sociological and marketing researchers show that customers are they have developed a real hunger for this type of product, because everyone you can ask any of your friends or relatives or the closer circle, they are willing to use these points that they are having. This is actually, when you dig deeper in this topic, you will find that in US and other developed countries in Europe, companies are diminishing their tax base using the loyalty points. So this is not profitable for them at all to burn the points like every year or every half a year. So we are developing this solution and making it more transparent for customers and the company.
So what you're saying is that marketing is not actually a need in your kind of structure, and that what's more important is partnership and development and working with the systems and just creating a robust, scalable system. That's your main focus for now.
Exactly, yeah. Because marketing is implied. When a customer comes to any organization, he can see a loyalty program or QR code that will be integrated into our app. So this comes just timely, and our app comes in hand. Yeah.
Yes, fantastic. Tell us about your team. Who's all on the team?
Well, we have a pretty good team. It's all international. We have 35 people working in the office. We have a wonderful partnership with our advisors. We have advisors, the program guys from Tkachev team, that guys that developed in Cardano, and also the team that we are making our MVP with right now is a team called MyWish.
Okay, fantastic. And why has blockchain been such an important technology for you?
This comes out of the construction of the exchange, because right now it's constructed in that way that every company with a loyalty program issues their own token that equals loyalty bonus points.
Yes.
And the exchange works like customer that sells his bonus points, so they're converted into our internal token on else. And then when it meets the incoming order for buying the bonus points that the customer needs, our token releases the income of this token that represents the bonus point.
Why blockchain? Why has this been so important? Because there are other technologies that you could have used. So why blockchain?
Technically, blockchain is suppose you have three companies. You have an aim to exchange bonus point between them. Technically, blockchain is not really important in here because there's a different mechanics, and all this small circle can make an agreement on the rate of the points. So there is an existing solution for this. It's called coins.com. They do not have blockchain implemented in their exchange, and they do the same idea as we. But it's not so easy for them to scale, and they have a low intensity of exchanges because the organization set the rate themselves. And it means that they have a centralized exchange, and blockchain will allow decentralized exchange. That is our main reason. That will allow to scale this thing automatically. The only limitation is our speed of our integration, new companies inside.
Right. And why would they benefit? Why would the companies benefit in joining your system?
Existing loyalty program solutions, they do not engage customers in the way they should. In our ecosystem, customer will be very loyal to the company because he will get exactly the bonus points he needs. So, in the process of request of the points he needs, or in the process of receiving these points, he will also be able to get the personalized, very precisely targeted advertising.
I can see how this is going to work in the future. It's obviously needed. Something that will integrate, we'll use blockchain technology to integrate all these loyalty programs so we can access our bonus points better. It's great for everyone. It's great for you, for the companies, and for the user. So thank you very much for sharing with us today. It's been great to have you on our show of Meet the Makers.
Thank you.
All the best with your project going ahead and with your token sale and the ICO.
Thank you. Thank you.
My name is Rebecca Hope from Block News, and we talked to Alex from Wulet. Have a great day there in Estonia.